fix, PC. If Grand Theft Auto 5 shows unable to launch GTA 5 Enhanced.exe or crashes instantly, this usually happens after a bad update, corrupted launcher files, mods, or antivirus blocking the new executable. Follow these fixes exactly. Number 1. Verify game files. Steam, library, GTA 5, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games, library, GTA 5, 3 dots, manage verify. This redownloads missing GTA 5 Enhanced.exe files. Number 2. Delete broken mod files. Most common fix, go to GTA 5 installation folder and remove. You can see the code in our conversation history. Also remove. You can see the code in our conversation history. Enhanced updates often break old mods. 3. Run launchers as administrator. Run these as admin. Steam Epic Games Launcher, Rockstar Games Launcher, GTA 5 Enhanced.exe. Steps. Right-click exe, compatibility, enable. Run this program as administrator. Number 4. Disable antivirus blocking Windows security or antivirus may quarantine GTA 5 Enhanced.exe. Add exclusions for GTA 5 folder, Rockstar Launcher, Steam Epic folder. Also restore quarantined files if removed. Number 5. Delete Rockstar cache. Delete. You can see the code in our conversation history, then restart PC. Number 6. Repair Rockstar Launcher, uninstall. Rockstar Games Launcher, Rockstar Games Social Club. Delete leftover folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall latest launcher version. 7. Install Visual C++ in DirectX. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. DirectX runtime. .NET framework corrupted runtimes can stop Enhanced.exe from launching. Number 8. Remove compatibility settings. Sometimes compatibility mode breaks launch. 4. You can see the code in our conversation history. Disable compatibility mode, full screen optimization. Keep only. Run as administrator. Number 9. Launch through Steam Slapic only. Do not open. You can see the code in our conversation history directly. Instead, 1. Open Steam Epic. 2. Wait for Rockstar Launcher login. 3. Launch GTA 5 from library. 10. Last fix, clean reinstall. If nothing works, 1. Uninstall GTA 5. 2. Delete remaining GTA folder. 3. Reinstall on SSD. 4. Verify files before launching. Under SEO type